Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. It doesn't really matter. Welcome to the channel. We talk about anything. Today, we're going to talk about this video. This video is really sad. Really sad. The things that this guy is going to say will blow you away. But before we do that, I want to thank everybody that watch my videos, share my videos with their friends and families, and subscribe to this channel. I want to thank you guys. So let's begin with this video. This video, like I said, is really sad. The things that this guy is going to say is just amazing and disturbing too. So let's watch it. We're gonna watch it.
Mema munyina akwaba se kase broni krum system no eye juma na ebinum entiase ya broni etini ama ne system aye juma to the extent say in Riampo they obey the rules.
Okay, let me tell you guys a story about this white people this guy is talking about. See, a lot of Africans, we don't know, like him, he doesn't know the history of the white people. I think in the 1960s, after the Second World War, is when things changed for the normal people. Back then, when they were shopping in Africa, only the rich people control the whole situation. Okay, so you have the rich people who have the money to do anything they want, and the poor people were just like African slaves, but they get paid with peanuts. The Africans were paid with nothing. And then you have, like in America, you have the slaves there, they were working for free. But in Europe, you had like, it's like working slaves. They get paid, they don't get beaten. In Africa, they get beaten, chop their hands off like that. And these people, well, let's watch the video first, now I'll explain it.
Modi as a master dia Ghana enuafu basa na we si ha na we twa ha na we kon ha na bibi basa tantantan bi na so broni krom enua omo nyina di line ba koso chese ase menim se omo hyeda na a programming nua no so dia I can tell enua no sunlight fe enua no di so fe flowers are edi so fe lawns are ya kate no kama unfu ya ma kwa ma unfu rough from sao broni krom ya ma lawns and flowers e kwan se omunfu basa sa da bi unfu na ya tenete no ze he menfu ntra ha he fuko say he menchia he menyimi.
Okay, so like I was saying in the video, the rich people, they had so many money that they didn't care, you know. You just make something like this. They have the land, they buy land, and they do gardening like this, big gardens. And like he was saying, they do all this thing because they have the money. If you're a poor person, you can do this because you need that land for food. But because they are rich, they can do it, and they will hire the poor people to cut it. Understand? So it's not like these people in Europe that they were in love with God. No, the rich people were doing it, and the poor people were not doing it. But after the Second World War, things changed. That they were building houses for them, and then they wanted also like to live happily. You don't want sad people coming to work, that kind of stuff, and they started developing in this kind of stuff. Plus, like I said in the other videos, the government owned the land, so the government can do those things for the people. In Ghana, let me show Ghana again. So Ghana, if you go to Accra, you see that Accra is filled with houses, and the government can do nothing about it. So can you tell me where the government should place like a garden, nice garden? So here you have a forest. I think he's talking about this forest that is but then you look at this place. Oh wait a second. You look at this place, it's the same thing. So see, ugly. ugly place. So look at this place. This is also ugly place, according to him. But this is nature. Okay. Now it's slow. You can see this is nature. You have also, you see this one here, nature. Everything's ugly. That's what this guy is saying. Ugly place, trees there, everything's ugly. So you have it here too. But like if you go to the city, you have this thing. That is what he was talking about. But in Ghana you also have it. So you have this one too. So that is why people come to Africa and watch their trees. Nobody is coming to Europe and watch these trees. They're not going to come and watch these trees. Like look at this beautiful trees straight. Nobody's coming to Europe to watch it. You understand? Like this is beautiful. It's in Africa, big trees. Okay, so people like this, and sometimes you have it like on the roadside like this. But there's a reason why they plant the trees on the roadside. It's to make sure that people don't go speed. So the trees are there to make sure that people don't speed. If you speed, you hit it and then you die. So that's also, you see that this one, they have planted it so that people don't speed, and this one is shade and that kind of stuff. But in the past, only the rich people were doing it. Beautiful gardens created by the rich to live, because a poor person, like I said, a poor person can't do this. This is Japan. This for the royal families. They have a nice garden. It's like peaceful. It's like, you know, a poor person didn't have a garden like this. And even these days in Europe, if you have the money, you have a nice garden, because it costs a lot of money to do some planting. This guy thinks that everything is cheap. This is like you have a big garden and you want to put some flowers in it. So these are the prices. So this is some of the prices that you as a poor person will have to buy some and put in it. Only people that have like the money are going to do this. If you're poor, you're not going to do this. See the price. So this one is 29 euros. You calculated that in Ghana cities. This is 50 Ghana. And so these plants are a little bit expensive. So only the rich people have a lot of plants in their garden. Nice garden. Okay, bloomer. See, 36 euro. Oh, if you buy two, yeah, you calculate that. You have the sunflower. You have this plant, 58 euro. Yes, all this one is 8 times